Good day. In this video, we are going to try a coordinate geometry question, and this time we're going to find the equation of a line given a coordinate and a line that is parallel to another line. So for example, the question is, what is the equation of a line that passes through the coordinate 2, 5 and is parallel to the line y equal to 2 thirds x plus 1. So even before we start this question, we need to draw the diagram. So this is the coordinate 2, 5. We just draw randomly. It don't have to be accurate, and it is parallel to the other line. The other line has this equation, y equal to 2 thirds x plus 1. If they are parallel, the gradient m1 and m2 is going to be the same. Please remember that, okay? When they are parallel, the two gradients are the same. So from this equation, y equal to mx plus c, the m is 2 thirds, so the gradient is going to be 2 thirds. Similarly, the gradient for the line that we are about to find is also going to be 2 thirds. So we know the gradient, and it cuts through the point 2, 5. Now it's very simple. Now we're going to find the equation of the line given the gradient is 2 thirds and it passed through the point 2, 5. So x1 is 2 and y1 is 5. So we're going to use the formula as usual, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Okay, so now we're going to substitute all the values that we know. So going to be y, the y1 is 5, y minus 5, m is 2 thirds, so 2 over 3, the gradient is 2 thirds, x minus 2, the x1 is 2. Now what we're going to do is expand the equation on the right. So going to be y minus 5 equals to 2 thirds x, 2 thirds times minus 2 is going to be minus 4 over 3. Now, of course, the last step, we need to get rid of this minus 5. So we're going to add 5 on both sides of the equation. So y equals to 2 thirds x. So 5 is actually 15 over 3. So plus 15 over 3 minus 4 over 3. And the answer is y equal to 2 thirds x plus 11 over 3. So that's the equation of the line. But if you want to make it neater, you can multiply 3 throughout the equation. So the equation becomes 3y equal to 2x plus 11. And that will give you a chief or merit in this paper. Great. We do another example. And before long, we should be able to solve this type of equation. Okay. So question number 2, similar. But the gradient is a bit, you need to do one more step, okay? So the question is, what is the equation of the line that passes through 6 minus 2? So again, it's going to be x1, y1, and it's parallel to the line 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So now we need to find the gradient of this equation. So this is, line is 2x minus 3y plus 4, and the point cuts through 6 minus 2. This gradient has to be parallel, and that's why we need to find the gradient of this line. So that equation is going to be 2x minus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. So we need to make y equal to mx plus c. So what we're going to do, we are going to minus 2x on this side, the 2x will cancel out, and we minus 4 on this side, so the 4 will cancel out. So when we do that, 2x minus 2x is going to be 0, 4 minus 4 is going to be 0, so the answer is minus 3y. On the left hand side, 0 minus that, they give you minus 2x minus 4. Okay? Now, to make your life easier, we're going to change all the negative sign to positive, so we're going to multiply by negative 1. So when we multiply by negative 1, all the negative become positive and all the positive become negative. So it becomes 3y equal to 2x plus 4. And the last step, we're just going to divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. It becomes y equal to 2 thirds x plus 4 over 3. So now we know the gradient is 2 thirds again. So now the gradient for m1 is 2 thirds. And the gradient for m2, since they are parallel, is also 2 thirds. So the gradient is going to be 2 thirds. Once we know the gradient and we know the coordinate, we are going to substitute into the equation of the line. So equation of line, okay, you need to remember this formula, okay, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. So what we do, we're going to substitute y1, x1, and m into the equation. So y, the y1 is 2, so y minus minus 2 becomes y plus 2. Gradient is going to be 2 thirds, x minus 6. So far so good? Great. Now we're going to expand the expression on the right hand side. So y plus 2 equal to 2 thirds x. 2 thirds times minus 6 is going to be minus 4. Okay, last but not least, we're going to get rid of this plus 2, so we're going to minus 2 on both sides of the equation. Okay, so what happened now is that we're going to have y equals to 2/3 x minus 4 minus 2, and the answer is 2/3 x minus 6. So to simplify that equation, okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to just multiply everything by 3. So it's 3y equal to 2x minus 18, and that is the answer for this equation. Okay, so hope you have a great day, and I'll see you soon.
Cheers everyone, and have a good day.